When you bring new people on board at your company, you want them up to speed as fast as possible. That's why your training videos need to be clear, consistent, and not go on too long. Here's how businesses create effective training videos using Claap's new editing feature. Now let's say you want to guide your new salespeople through your pitch deck. You just click here on the Claap icon up in the Chrome extension or desktop app and start recording. Once you're done, you just click stop and then save. Now, in an ideal world, this Claap would be ready to just be sent out immediately, but things go wrong sometimes. Maybe you said something wrong, or there's a loud noise in the background, or maybe that awkward pause while you're looking for the right tab just took a little bit too long. That's why you can now edit and trim your Claaps without using any external tools. Now, there's two different ways to do this, so let's take a look at both of them in action. The first is simply trimming your video. Now, once you're looking at your Claap, just go down to the edit button here and then click trim video. Now you can easily chop up your video using the scissor tool and delete the bad parts until it's all killer, no filler. The second option is by editing the transcript. Head on over to the Transcript tab. From here, you can simply highlight any chunk of text you don't want and delete it. That part of the video is now gone, and you can keep going until you have word-for-word perfect training videos. Another handy feature in the Transcript tab is this magic button here that automatically deletes any ums, ahs, or other filler words, as well as long silences. If you're in a rush and just want a cleaner version in seconds, this is the option for you. And of course, this feature doesn't just work for training videos. You can cut up your sales calls, streamline your product demos, or even make your all hands actually watchable. Remember, if you have any questions, our team are here to help.